During a walk in early spring, we paused to look out over the landscape of Redwood Regional Park in the San Francisco Bay Area. From afar, it's hard to tell what is growing underneath the dense canopy of broadleaf and coniferous trees, but up close, under the canopy, there's a strange, spiky ball dangling from a shrub. There's no forgetting the first time you see a wild cucumber. Members of the family Cucurbitaceae often have gourd or melon-like fruits, and many of them are of agricultural importance. For example, watermelon, butternut squash, cantaloupe, and cucumber. In California, the most common native cucumbers are in the genus Marah. You are likely to encounter a species of Marah while botanizing in most areas of California, especially where there is woody vegetation from the coast to the desert edge. These binding plants can be found covering shrubs or growing along the ground. Although the flowers are not very showy and they might not catch your eye, the leaves are large and the fruits are bizarre. Like many cucurbits, Marah has simple, palmately lobed leaves. Tendrils are another common feature of the family Cucurbitaceae. These modified leaves allow plants to attach themselves to nearby shrubs or trees for support without having to develop their own wood. Many cucurbits, including Marah, are generally monoecious, meaning they produce separate staminate and pistillate flowers that usually occur on the same plant. The staminate flowers are typically clustered in an inflorescence. And looking closely at these staminate flowers, we see there are only stamens inside. The pistillate flowers are harder to find. They're solitary, meaning one flower per node, located in the leaf axils, and are sometimes hidden by the large leaves. Notice the inferior ovary that will develop into the fruit. There are 5 species of Marah in California. In the San Francisco Bay Area, we encountered 2 species, Marah fabaceae and Marah oregana. To differentiate between these 2 species, start by looking at the shape and color of the corolla. Marah fabaceae has a rotate corolla that is yellow-green to cream or white in color. Marah oregana has a cup-shaped corolla that is white. Looking at them together, it's easier to see the difference in corolla shape and color. If we compare the fruits, we can see another difference. The fruit of Marah fabaceae is more or less spheric and the prickles are stiff and unhooked. The fruit of Marah oregana is less spheric and is tapered to the beak. The fruit is often marked with dark green stripes and the prickles are flexible. If we cut a fruit open, we see large seeds that would be dispersed by rodents. All species of Marah are tuberous perennials, and these large tubers help us remember the common name of the genus, manroot. As spring comes to an end, the above-ground shoots that are produced each year start to die back, and the fruits dehisce by breaking apart at the apex. The dried fruits are quite distinctive and can be used as nurseries for juvenile bugs like these. Thanks for watching and learning about this memorable genus. To learn more about other members of the Cucurbitaceae, check out our playlist for the family.